What are the pros and cons of carpet and laminate flooring in bedrooms?
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be talking about a common decision many homeowners face: choosing between carpet and laminate flooring for bedrooms. Both have their own distinct advantages and disadvantages, so let's dive into each of them.
What are the pros of carpet flooring?
Carpet is a popular choice for bedrooms and for good reason. 1. Comfort. Carpets are soft and warm underfoot, providing a cozy, comfortable surface. They are especially beneficial in colder climates where they can provide additional insulation. 2. Noise reduction. Carpets absorb sound, making your bedroom a quieter, more peaceful environment. This is particularly useful if you live in a noisy area or have a bustling household. 3. Variety of designs. Carpets come in a wide variety of colors, textures, and patterns, offering lots of room for personalization.
What are the cons of carpet flooring?
Despite the benefits, there are also some potential downsides to carpets. 1. Maintenance. Carpets require regular cleaning and vacuuming to keep them looking fresh and to maintain their lifespan. They are prone to staining and can hold on to allergens, which may be problematic for those with allergies. 2. Durability. While the lifespan of a carpet depends on its quality, generally, carpets wear out faster than hard surface flooring options.
What are the pros of laminate flooring?
Switching gears, let's discuss laminate flooring. 1. Durability. Laminate flooring is hard-wearing and resistant to scratches and stains, making it a great choice for high-traffic areas. 2. Easy to clean. Unlike carpet, laminate flooring does not trap dust and allergens, and is easy to clean. A quick sweep or mop is usually sufficient. 3. Cost-effective. Compared to other hard flooring options like hardwood, laminate is typically a more cost-effective choice.
What are the cons of laminate flooring?
However, laminate flooring is not without its drawbacks. 1. Cold and hard underfoot. Compared to carpet, laminate flooring can feel cold and hard underfoot, which might not be ideal for bedrooms. 2. Noise. Laminate floors can be noisy when walked on, especially when compared to the sound-absorbing qualities of carpet. To wrap up, both carpet and laminate flooring have their own sets of pros and cons. Your choice between the two will depend on your personal preferences, lifestyle, budget, and the specific needs of your bedroom. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice, only what works best for you. We hope this breakdown has been helpful in your decision-making process. Thanks for watching.